Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Open the avatar shop and search Jacko Blazer by exact name. Use the exact capitalization and spacing to improve search results. Check whether the item is for sale or limited availability. Limited tags change how you must acquire the item. Compare prices across listings and confirm seller ratings before buying. Look at recent sale history for accuracy. Save the item to your favorites to monitor future price changes and availability. Decide whether to buy instantly or seek a trade offer instead. Buying uses Robux and completes immediately when the seller lists the item. Use the trade window to propose fair swaps with listed items. Include clear screenshots and item names in any trade chat. Confirm Roblox permissions and two-step verification before completing transactions. These prevent unauthorized purchases and protect assets. If trading, verify the other user's recent trade history and accept only offers you can rescind safely. Monitor market listings and set alerts by favoriting the item. Check favorites daily to spot new listings or price drops. Avoid third-party sellers and never share your password or PIN. Scammers often impersonate sellers with low prices or urgent messages. Join official groups and event pages to catch official restocks or giveaways. Follow Roblox blog and creator announcements for legitimate drops. Keep transaction records and screenshots.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.